Hiccups! I'll signal you from the surface of the sea. We need to stop Winston's... Hiccups!
Red off. Bam! Those are some big whale-sized hiccups.
Speed is of the essence.
I had the hiccups once. At first it was funny, but then the hiccups wouldn't stop, and I got scared.
Hiccups are nothing to be frightened about. Bubbly soda or eating too quickly can cause hiccups.
But Winston's hiccups are whale-sized.
Indeed. Big hiccups equal big trouble.
There's Andre.
Come on, Sabums, follow me!
Switching from chopper to submarine. Prepare to dive. Diving!
Watch out!
Wave melon's coming this way!
Taking evasive action!
Phew! That was scary.
That gives me an idea. Let's scare Winston.
But why? Scaring Winston doesn't sound like a nice thing to do.
That's true, Andre. We don't want to upset Winston. We want to startle Winston. Sometimes startling or surprising somebody scares away their hiccups. But how do we scare Winston?
I know, the little fish can help.
How about it, little fish?